Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. So in this video I will talk about the best keyword research tool. We all know that keyword research is one of the best way to rank your keywords and to find keywords, and without doing proper keyword research you cannot become successful in all SEO projects. So number one, I will talk about the Google Ads and Keyword Planner, a well-known and particular powerful Google keyword planning tool directly integrated with Google Ads. It offers a range of features for finding inspiration and analyzing relevant queries. Just type in a few keyword phrases and the tool quickly suggests other related searches, including the number of monthly searches, traffic forecasts, and competition rates. Number 2, Ubersuggest. Recently acquired by Neil Patel, Ubersuggest is another well-known tool for obtaining a selection of keyword from one or more terms. You can search for keywords for the web, but also for YouTube, Google Images, shopping, and even news. And it works equally well for searches in English, French, German, Spanish, Ukrainian, or Swedish, or other languages. Number 3, best keyword tool is SpyFu. SpyFu is a free tool for visualizing the keywords used by your competitors for both SEO and Google Ads campaign. Perfect for finding inspiration fast. Rather than racking your brains, start by scanning the sites in your sector for an initial list of keywords which can then refine. Identifying keywords is strategic. For the more operational task for writing your SEO text, delegate your web copywriting platform. Number 4, we can talk about keyword tool. If you are looking for long tail keywords, keywordtool.ai is the best. This excellent alternative Google keyword planner helps you find popular expression on Google, YouTube, Bing, Apple Store, Amazon. So you can optimize your search engine optimization or on different platforms at the same time. However, the free version doesn't allow you to see search term volumes, only the headings of most important keywords. Number 5, we can talk about WordStream. WordStream offers a very useful free keyword research tool, albeit limited. You will need to provide your email address to receive the full list of expressions. While it allows you to search for keyword by country, including France, it also lets you search by sector of activity, a welcome feature. 20 or so fields are available, ranging from ready to wear to real estate and tourism, allowing you to make your search even more specific. Number 6, we can talk about the keyword generator. Keyword generator finds up into 150 keyword ideas for any given starting keyword. You then get a list of keywords and queries with the estimated monthly search volume for each keyword. You can also use the generator to find keywords, then query ideas for Bing, YouTube, and Amazon. Number 7, Answer the Public. It's very famous among the people. Find out what people are asking about. Absolutely anything and everything. That's what Answer the Public is all about. It finds questions, preposition, comparisons, alphabetically sorted search list, and related searches. All you have to do is select your language and country, then type in a keyword. The results are presented in highly visual form like a mind map. For example, if you type the search chocolate in French for France, you will find questions such as why is chocolate bad for dogs, or what is white chocolate, comparisons like chocolate or cocoa, preposition like chocolate or for baking, and related searches like hot chocolate. Clicking on any of the result that will take you directly to the Google result for that particular search. Number 8, Keyword Surfer. Keyword Surfer is a free extension for Google Chrome. This tool showed estimated worldwide and monthly search volume for any query typed in Google. It is the fastest way to get keyword information for every new search you perform in Google. You will discover search volume, CPC, keyword suggestion related in search term. Number 9 is SEMrush. SEMrush is one of the best keyword analysis tool as we know, and it offers free trials. It lets you check your position on a specific keyword phrases. You can perform a multilingual search to get ideas for keywords in the different countries where you market your products or service. Number 10 is Ahrefs. Ahrefs is one of the most highly recommended keyword analysis tool. It provides you with a wealth of interesting data to help and to create, monitor, and improve your SEO strategy. Although Href is the best known for backlink analysis, it offers a wide range of features and its perform in keyword analysis much appreciated. Number 11, we can talk about the SEO Hero. SEO Hero, designed by the winner of 2017 SEO Hero competition, Frenchman Walid Gapteni. This tool is SEO software for exploring the what's being talked about on the websites. SEO Hero is aimed to let you explore topic of your choice and detail the lexical field corresponding to your query, drawing inspiration from the best reference pages on your topic. Number 12 is Quora. Quora is so famous, and with this latest original tool you can consult in just few clicks all the questions being asked by the internet users. You want to attract to your site? Quora's operation is simple but highly effective. User can ask any question that pops into your heads, and all you have to do is consult the topics that interest you. At a glance, you can analyze how the most popular questions are formulated and select the main keywords related to your field. So these were the 12 best keyword research tool. Thank you for watching my video.